By the end of the video you will know about how I lost skinny fat, sharing my personal journey and tips to achieve a leaner physique. Skinny fat can be challenging, but through dedication and the right approach, I successfully transformed my body. Here's how I did it, and how you can too. My journey to losing skinny fat. I struggled with skinny fat, where I appeared slim, but had excess body fat, especially around my midsection. Here are the key steps I followed. Step 1. Nutrition. A balanced diet played a crucial role in my transformation. High protein intake. I focused on consuming lean proteins, such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, and eggs to support muscle growth and repair. Healthy fats. Incorporating sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil helped me stay satiated and maintain energy levels. Complex carbohydrates. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats provided sustained energy without the crash. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue the video's main topic. Step 2. Strength training. Building muscle was crucial to reshaping my body. Compound movements, exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses were staples in my workout routine, targeting multiple muscle groups. Progressive overload, gradually increasing weights and intensity challenged my muscles and promoted growth. Consistency. I aimed for at least 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week, ensuring I gave my muscles time to recover. Step 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio helped me burn excess fat and improve cardiovascular health. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Short, intense bursts of exercise alternated with periods of rest helped me maximize calorie burn. Steady-state cardio. Longer sessions of moderate intensity activities, such as jogging or cycling, complemented my workout routine. Step 4. Rest and recovery. Rest was essential for allowing my body to repair and grow stronger. Sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night supported my recovery and overall well-being. Rest days. Incorporating rest days into my routine prevented burnout and allowed my muscles to recover fully. Step 5. Mindset and consistency. Staying motivated and consistent were key to achieving my goals. Mindset. I stayed focused on my goals and celebrated small victories along the way. Conclusion. Through dedication to nutrition, consistent exercise, and a positive mindset, I successfully lost skinny fat and achieved a leaner, healthier body. Remember, your journey is unique, but with commitment and the right strategies, you can reach your fitness goals too. Thank you for watching. If you found my journey inspiring, please like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let's continue to support each other on our fitness journeys.